Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please mute. काही जणांचा आवाज येतो. Please mute it. If anyone having query during the session, then please ask me. But till you please unmute. Okay, so today we start with the sixth unit, and the some points from the sixth unit, uh, that is cyber stalking. As we know, what is meant by stalking? Nowadays, everywhere the stalking is used. So this is a very serious issue uh, in cyber security issue. Stalking means what? Stalking means to monitor someone or to monitor the activities of any person and harass them. This is the cyber stalking. But in what manner or through which medium you are going to harass these peoples? This is the medium used is the internet, and some of the electronic media are used, like
And that's actually about 0.
uh, the electronic media, like the what you can say, Facebook is there. Your all the social media accounts are there. You just attack on that particular account or steal your data and harass the particular person. But to overcome this, or here is the which part or which peoples most likely the victims and offenders of cyber stalking. Before that, there is one more term is there, that is cyber stalker. Okay, and the cyber stalker means the person who perform this activity is called as cyber stalker, or we can say uh, the person is monitoring your activities and give the you will be in a trouble. But here our point of discussion is who are the most likely victims. As we know, the victim is as the current situation is there. We are suffering from the COVID-19, this corona. Who are the victims of this COVID-19? This is the at the initial stage, the researchers or the doctors are saying the victims are only the persons whose age is greater than 60. But after some time, what happens? The doctors are saying, or the researchers are saying, anyone may be a victim of this coronavirus. So likewise, same way here, during the cyber stalking, who are the what we can say victims? Anyone can be a victim of this cyber stalking. And but there are here there is one more correction is there. Anyone, but या sentence ला anyone ला काय म्हणेल? There is a certain age group is there which we cannot consider in this category. the age group is, we can say, below the 10 years, means they are not get attacked by this stalker, cyber stalker. But mostly the attack can be done on these females, or females are the most victims than the males. Also, some educational institutions are very likely target for the cyber stalking. And the best example is there. तुम्ही आता बघत असाल, if you open the Facebook, or some person's Facebook account is get having the duplicate account or the same account with the same person name. एकाच व्यक्तीचे 2-3 अकाउंट क्रिएट केलेले असतात. But what happens due to this? The person can create the Facebook fake account, or the cyber stalker, we can say. Cyber stalker can create the fake account and upload the irrelevant posts and irrelevant photos, videos, or any illegal post on that fake account. But the question arises, from where this data can be taken by the stalker. The data can be taken by the stalker from, we can say, your social media accounts, or your email is there, or your any day-to-day activities, net surfing activities can be monitored by the stalker, and they will do this attack. Later on, we will see which things are considered for getting the cyber stalking. Now, next point is, there is the percentage wise distribution is given. Gender of victims. Gender of victim means here males, as I said, females are most attacked by this cyber stalking comparative to male. Male are percentage is 13% and female is 87%. Now, here is the age of victim is given, and the ages are given like this: 41 and over. The percentage is 19%. 18 to 30 age group is having 54%. Then next is a 31 to 40 age group is having 27%. Now, next point, where does this cyber stalking occurs? Means which are the different cyber areas or the internet areas are there where this type of attacks are occurred. Here the list is given, in that emails are there, news groups, then internet sites are there, then chat rooms, third party instant messages, service user profiles. If you see the first point, email. Email means what? The stalker or the attacker can send the number of emails which are irrelevant to that particular person, or we can say the victim. Victim can send the number of emails which are irrelevant to that particular person. Then next is the news groups or the message board. News groups means there are a number of news groups are available. To that news group, as we can say, on the social media, on WhatsApp, there is a let's up is there, and the number of news groups are available. If you are joined to that group, the stalker can hack your data or observe your data and start harassing you. Next is the internet sites. So here is the most important point is there. Day by day or daily, we are surfing the number of websites, but we are not observing whether these sites are secure or not. As in the fourth unit, the one point is mentioned, that is secure socket layer. In that, if you observe this any URL of any website, in that they are mentioning URL like this HTTP and www dot name of the website, and second is that HTTPS and www dot, then the next is the name of the website. But out of this, which is the secure one, we can say HTTPS, that is S stands for here secure. So always try to use the sites having the HTTPS extension. Next is chat rooms. There are some personal chat rooms are there, and if you go through that chat room, the cyber stalker can also observe your data. The next is a third party instant messages means uh, on your mobile you are getting the number of links in the message, or the advertisement is the most important thing is that if you open any website there is a third party advertisements or pop-ups are there. If you click on that, your data is get hacked. Okay, so these are the certain cyber stalking areas are there. Then next point is this: how does harassment begin? Here some percentage wise distribution is given. For auction 1%, the next is a virus or personal advertisement, it is 3%, on the website 8%, news group message board 9%, instant messages 12%, chatting 15%, and email is the 39%. If you observe this, email is having the higher percentage for the harassment. So next point is there stalking, that is psychological reason. So I think why this type of activities can be performed, and the stalker can perform this type of activity. Stalker activities का perform करतात? Because of their some psychological reasons are there. In that first, jealousy, obsession, attraction, and revenge. You aware of these words? You know these words. Jealousy. Jealousy means एखादा आपला फ्रेंड आहे का?
फार्माला फॉलो केले फार
एखादा फ्रेंड आहे
मला
आपला,
वाटतं
त्याला जर तुमच्यापेक्षा जास्त पर्सेंटेज मिळाल, you feel jealous. Okay. Same way, the stalker is having any relation with you, and if it feels jealousy, then it will attack on you, or it will start hacking you. Sorry, harassing you. Next is a obsession. Obsession means its dictionary meaning in Marathi we can say एखादा माणूस आपण म्हणतो तो पछाडलेला आहे, एखाद्या गोष्टीने पछाडला मीन्स त्याला काहीतरी दुसऱ्या गोष्टी डोक्यामध्ये विचार आहेत, इट फील्स व्हेरी obsession. So next is a attraction. Attraction. Here attraction means what? It is related to gender issues. If some boy is having attraction with girl, then it will perform this type of activity. Especially attraction is related to this one. Next is a revenge. Revenge means what? Revenge Revenge means in the last one. Please unmute. Sorry, please mute. कोणाचा व्हिडिओ अनम्यूट नाही आहे तुम्ही म्यूट करा प्लीज. नेक्स्ट इज रिवेंज. रिवेंज मीन्स एखाद्याचा बदला घेणे. सो इफ देर इज सम वॉर in between two peoples and if they want to take a revenge, then the cyber stalking can perform this activity. Okay. Next point, effects of harassment. What happens if any person is get harassed or if it is a victim of cyber stalking, then what happens? त्या पर्सनला कुठला कुठला त्रास होतो? First is changes in sleeping and eating pattern. Means he is always he or she is always thinking related to that harassment. If my certain photograph is on that social media fake account, जर तो माझ्या मित्राने बघितला, माझ्या फ्रेंड्सने बघितला, एखाद्या कम्युनिटीमध्ये गेला, then what happens? He or she will always think, always think. And due to this sleeping and due to this number of thinking, their sleeping and eating patterns are get. Am I audible? Am I audible? Please message. Am I audible? Anyone reply?
So we can't see the slides.
Now is it visible? Is it visible now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it visible?
No, sir.
Just wait. We are here. Effects of harassment. In that, we are discussing the first point, changes in sleeping and eating pattern. The next point is nightmares. Nightmare means its meaning is if you are thinking, the best example is there. Suppose in your examination period, you are doing the study day and night, means maximum time you are in that phase, reading the books, solving the example, watching the videos, like these activities you are doing. And if you at the sleeping time, during the sleeping, you also observe this type of studying. Means असं वाटतं की तुम्ही अभ्यासच करताय, वाचतोय झोपेत. This is the nightmares. Means, but here the nightmares, the meaning is different here. The victim or the person who is attacked by this cyber stalking is get thinking. Its thinking is very sad, and this thing comes into its mind during the nightmares. Next is anxiety. Anxiety means the person is also feeling very restless. He is always worried. This is the changes. The next is the helplessness. It feels that I'm not helpful for help anyone, or no one is getting to help me. Then fear for safety. It feels that I'm not a secure environment. He always feels that I'm not in secure environment. The next is a shock and disbelief. Shock and disbelief means uh, disbelief means lack of confidence. Means त्याचा आत्मविश्वास कमी होतो. Means he is not able to do any type of activity. He is not getting motivated. Always its lack of confidence is there. That's why mm, this type of effects are there. The next is there tips to prevent the cyber stalking. Okay, tips to prevent the cyber stalking. जर आपल्याला सायबर स्टॉकिंग अटॅक पासून वाचायचं तर काय करावं लागेल? दिस इज द मेन इश्यू. फर्स्ट इज दॅट आता यामधले देर आर सम ऑफ द पॉइंट्स आर देयर, बट आय जस्ट डिस्कस द जनरल पॉइंट, देन वी सी one by one. Has any teenagers or any people or any young generation can sharing their videos or their photos on social media? Means what? आता एखादा सपोज तुम्ही कुठे पाणीपुरी खायला गेला, still you are taking a snap, taking a selfie and posting on the social media, on FB, Instagram, or any type of social media is there. Also, some next point is there. If you are sitting any lab, suppose we consider related to our department. In that department, you are sitting on in a lab, computer lab. You log in onto any computer, and some of time you leave that PC without log out or without log out. Due to this, what happens if any new person comes there? He or she will capture your data. If your email is going on, Gmail account is going on, then he or she will get your data and start harassing you. Now,
थांबे कारण ना ही कसली सुविधा आहे मॅडम सर आणि ना व्हिडिओ ना अनम्यूट केलं
please mute. Please mute. Please mute.
सरांची झाले घंटा वाजता
Never reveal email address. काही जण प्लीज हे करा, कोण आहे Please mute. Now, prevent the cyber stalking. In that first point, never fill your home address. Here, the most important is that we are always using the live location. So don't locate on your live location. Due to this, what happens? The stalker can observe where you are going, at which place you are going. यानंतर मी तुम्हाला एक व्हिडिओ दाखवेल. In that video, that live location, drawbacks of the live location sharing are there. What happens if your live location is shared? Then next point is that if you do one more thing, conduct the internet search regularly. Conduct the internet search regularly means आपण काही थोड्या दिवसांनी असं चेक करायचे whether your same name If my name is Professor Kambe, same name account is there on internet or not. कुणी माझ्या नावाने काही दुसरी ऍक्टिव्हिटी करतंय का? जस्ट ऑब्झर्व. तर तसं असेल, you quickly contact to authorized person to overcome from this activity. Which are the different preventions or facilities are provided by the government? We'll see later on that facilities. But here, now we see the points one by one. Never reveal your home address. तुमचा घराचा ऍड्रेस कधी कोणाला देऊ नका. Also, second point is that password protect all accounts. Always keep your accounts password protected. आपल्याला सवय असते काही अकाउंट्स you are giving the simple passwords. Instead of giving the simple password, you always protect your account with the password having the some standards. The next is conduct an internet search using your name and phone number. As said, check your account details regularly on internet, whether it is duplicate account is there or not. The next point, be suspicious of any incoming email, telephone calls or texts that ask you for your identifying information. Means here, these points we already discussed. From where these attacks can be occurred or the cyber stalking can be occurred. In that, never or you be alert about incoming emails. Then the telephone calls. आता आपण बघतो number of telephone calls येतात आपल्याला किंवा text messages असतात. If you reply to that particular text message or the phone calls, on the phone calls, most of the banking sector, they are asking your PIN number or any other details like your ATM CVV, they can ask you, or they are sending you some text messages. Okay? So be aware of this. You don't respond this type of calls, emails, or the messages. Then next, here never give out your social security number. In that, next point is here this same thing. Social security number means your social account details. Never share your social account details. Next, if you are living partner, now it is related to some mature people or the some young ages. Like if you are facing, sorry. Here this point is there. If you are living a partner, means it is a somewhat you are having a boyfriend, girlfriend. If you are it is leave you, or if your partner is leaving you, then always reset your password, or because your accounts are get also hacked by that person. The next, if you think you are a target, have your PC checked by the professionals. Means what? If you feel you are a target, if you are a victim of cyber stalking attack, then you must contact to expertise or the professionals from the cyber field or the computer field and check your PC whether any type of attack is there or is there any unauthorized users are accessing your data. Okay, so these are the basic things related to cyber stalking, and I hope you got just a basic idea regarding this cyber stalking. But to overcome from this cyber stalking, as I said, the prevention techniques. how to prevent from this cyber stalking. Also, there is a one more way is there. As you hear this word, cyber crime cells are there. In every police department, there is a cyber crime department is there. Cyber cells are there. You must contact them. And also, Indian government has generated some acts are there. That is cyber crime. IT Act is there. It is in 2000. It is invented and it is useful for the all the IT professional. As we are the IT professional, you must go with the laws, which are the cyber security or cyber crime laws are there. Okay. Uh, in our next point of discussion, there is a cyber crime. This is a separate point is there. In that, we will see what type of cyber crime is there and what type of laws are available. Okay. Now, as I said, here is one video is with me, and you just watch it. It is related to cyber stalking. There is nothing is there, only just watch it. Volume is not necessary. Stated that the stalker can reach to your home. So, is there any doubt regarding this? Is there any doubt? or if you are having any query, please email me personally. Okay. So if you go to the net, you will get the number of short films related to this cyber stalking. How this cyber stalking can done. Number of videos are available, and nowadays it is a very serious issue is there. Okay. So I think this is sufficient for today's discussion. On the next lecture, we'll discuss the new topic. So shall we stop here? Please unmute your screen. And, or the next session, we'll discuss the new points. Okay, related to this one. So we stop here and we conclude the session. Thank you. Thank you very much.